So in the following video we are going to make a functional bandage related to the boxing. And we have to take into account that this bandage is principal purpose is to make that the ears don't make movements that overpass its normal movements, and to protect the knuckles of the hand when we are going to fight or we are going to kick something. So for taking into account this bandage, we are going to divide it into some steps. In the first step, we have to take into account that the athlete have a comfortable position, and we have to see that the area in which we are going to make the bandage don't present sunburn or present something that is unusual, like a strange color. For the bandage, for the rules for the bandage, we have to see that the bandage is new. Also, we can straighten the bandage, and we can lose the form of the bandage. For the second step, we are going to put the forearm of the athlete into the table, supporting the table, but leaving the hand free for the bandage, and putting a pronation in a functional form, in a functional way. So in the third step, we are going to use the whole of the bandage, and we are going to put into the finger of the left hand in the pronation form. Then we are going to pass the bandage in the correct way, that is in this one, and we are going to cover the grease 2 times. After this, the fourth step, we are going to pass the bandage through the carpian metatarsian bones, and we are going to cover it for 2 times, making the bandage the slightest as we can. After this, we are going to pass the bandage over the carpian thumb finger, over the carpian bone of the thumb finger, that is this. So we are going to pass here. For the fourth step, we are going to ask to the athlete that with the hand make an adduction. Here we can see the adduction of the hand, and for this we are going to pass the bandage between the fingers. When we pass the bandage between the fingers, we go back to the hand, and we pass through the metatarsians, and the bandage go out through the carpian bone of the thumb fingers. We are going to do the same process with all the fingers. When we get to this position, we are going to pass the bandage, making only 1 round through the thumb finger, covering this one. And we are going to ask to the patient that make a well with the hand, making a fist. So in this position we can see that the bandage is allowing the movement, that he can make a radial deviation and a cubital deviation. And also we are going to ask to the patients that put the hand in a supino position. Here we are going to pass the bandage over the gears, covering again the gears, and finally we are going to close the bandage using the adhesive tape of the bandage, like I said. So this is the functional bandage for boxing. In a way of conclusion, we can see that this bandage allows us to fight, and we can see that that allow us to make the movements. That is an easy way to protect our thumbs and knuckles and to protect our wrists, and that is a cheap way to use it. So I hope that this video helps us. Thank you.